how to remove navigate to admin on Shopify. To get you started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to sign into your Shopify account and go ahead and head over to the online store section. The navigate to admin button is actually that you're just supposed to find if you are the admin of a Shopify store. Now, if you can find it on a specific store, what you can do is to click on this three dots and select edit code. If you're the owner of the Shopify online store, it's best to do this to be able to remove that option and block individuals who want to access your Shopify admin. Click on this base.css. Now scroll down at the bottom of the CSS code to be able to add the CSS code line on this area to be able to remove that navigate to admin option for those guests on your Shopify store. Then here, just go ahead and paste this code in this area, hashtag admin bar iframe display equals none and important. After that, go ahead and save this code to your base code to be able to remove the navigate to admin button for Shopify online store guests.